Hi everyone and good morning. This is Mrs. Mosier. Today is Monday, April 20th, and it is our third week of distance learning. I hope that you all had a wonderful weekend, and if you are watching this video right now, you are in the right place if you are reading for your literature circle groups, either The Hunger Games or Holes. I hope that you had time to answer that attendance question first, because I'm really anxious to hear from you and what you thought of your book so far. So each week I'm going to present one of these videos to you just to give you some guidelines of what the week is going to look like. Okay, so I would recommend on Monday morning and throughout the week, if you have any questions and are not sure where you're supposed to be, tune into this video because I'm hoping that it will help you. Again, there will be office hours and I will be responding to any questions that you have in Google Classroom. Okay, so again, happy Monday, April 20th, and I hope that you had a great weekend and are ready to work really hard this week as we learn more about our books. Okay, so let's look at this week's Week at a Glance. So this will give you an overview of the expectation for each day. Okay, so it looks like a lot. Take a deep breath. I know you're looking at this like it's a lot, but a lot of what you see on here is what you have already been doing. Okay, so let's just focus on Monday. Okay, on Monday, which is today, I would like for you to do your daily attendance question, watch this informational video, and simply get to work. Okay, so we're going to give you an extra week to complete the first 5 chapters. Over the weekend, we had a lot of questions from students about how to complete this. Today, I will be sending out a Google Meet link if you have any questions. But your first goal for Monday to get completed is to complete either listening or reading or listening and reading to chapters 1 through 5 in your book, whether it be Holes or Hunger Games. Okay? That's it for today. Complete the reading. If you have any questions, be sure to click on that Google Meet link so that we can talk. Okay? I'm happy and more than willing to see your beautiful faces and answer any questions that you may have for today between 9 and 10. Okay? For tomorrow, you are also going to sign in and answer that daily attendance question. The office hours tomorrow are from 10 to 11 if you need any help. During that time, I plan on answering any questions that you may have and reading a chapter of your choice with you guys. We'll discuss that maybe today on Monday to see where we are all at and where we can pick up to complete this together. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of discussion to see where we are so that we can all get in the same place to really understand this book. Okay, so my plan for tomorrow, Tuesday, is to read a chapter with you guys. The Holes group will be from 10:15 to 10:30, and the Hunger Games group will be from 10:35 to 11. Okay, again, we will talk this through. We will get through this together. Do not stress out. Okay, on Wednesday, your goal is to complete the daily attendance question. Okay, again, that's no different than the previous days. You're going to sign into a Google Meet with me, with Mrs. Mosher, from 9 to 10. It will not take the whole time. I plan on sending you off to read. We can actually read a chapter together, so I put that as a question mark right here, if that is something we're interested in. Okay, and then I'm going to go over some Flipgrid directions with you. Okay, so for Thursday and Friday, those are work days for you. Okay, so by next Monday, which is the 27th of April, so by next Monday, the 27th of April, you will have to have completed these 4 tasks. Okay, and if you've been reading right along, this should be no problem. Remember, this is the second weekend, the second week that we're giving you to read or listen to chapters 1 through 5. So for your to-do list to complete by a week from today, next Monday, your goals are to read chapter 1 through 5, Complete your literature circle slide with your assigned job. So you're completing just one slide, whether you're the discussion leader or the comparison conductor or the summarizer or the perspective person or the character comparing. You're completing that one slide. Your third activity to complete is a quizzes that was posted from today, April 20th. Okay, so you can find it under your assigned book group, and it'll say April 20th, week 3 of distance learning. There's a quizzes in there to complete. And then lastly, you are going to complete your Flipgrid, which will be assigned to you on Wednesday. Okay, so again, it looks like a lot, guys, but this is our second week with chapters 1 through 5. And if you're staying on top of your work and asking those questions that you need to be successful, I have complete confidence that you will be able to complete these assigned tasks by Monday. So you'll notice that Thursday and Friday are just work completion days. You can use this slide as a checklist as you do it. Feel free to just go ahead and cross it off your list. Okay? If you have any questions, please tune in. I'm happy to help you.